transform your favorite photo into a romantic 3D illusion design for laser engraving on. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through creating a masterpiece with Luma-Loft, perfect for unique gifts or cherished keepsakes. Let's kick things off by opening your Tools menu. Select the Style Transformer. This is where you'll add an eye-catching artistic touch to your image. Next, scroll down to select the Be My Valentine Slate theme. This sets a special romantic look perfectly suited for Valentine's. Or select Valentine's Eternal Love Style. In this example, we'll explore the Be My Valentine style. Slide the slider left and right to preview the effect. Like what you see. Click Use this style to proceed. At this point, upload your image file. Find the photo you want, select it, and you're all set to start editing. Expand advanced options for more control. Switch on Convert to Grayscale for uniform result, then click Transform Image to see the stylized result instantly. Once the transformation is complete, check your styled image to proceed to the next step. Download your processed file and review the outcome. If you're satisfied with the result, let's move on to the next stage. Click Send to Tool, and select Laser Engraving Prep to begin setting your artwork up for engraving. Now, crop your image if needed. Then remove the background so your subject stands out, crucial for engraving clarity. Make the final tweaks here, click Fit Content and confirm your crop for precise results. Customize your engraving by setting your width, entering specific dimensions, checking resolution. In this example we chose 500 dpi, adjusting height, and verifying all measurements before you continue. Now, open up the material presets. Type to search, then pick your dithering preferences. For slate, select Slate Standard. This ensures a crisp result for your engraving project. Next, let's turn off the Invert Output toggle temporary to refine your output settings. Adjust contrast, tweak gamma, sharpen where needed, fine-tune brightness, revisit contrast, and optimize your black point to highlight details. Once the adjustments look fine, don't forget to turn the Invert Output toggle. If you are not using Lightburn, browse through the dithering presets. Switch to Grayscale for a smooth, continuous tone result. When you're happy with your creation, export the finished file and click Process your image, prepping it for the laser engraving phase. For the final step, download your PNG file and select it to save your 3D Valentine's illusion, ready for laser engraving or sharing with someone special. You've just mastered a fun and creative way to design a personalized 3D Valentine's gift, ready for laser engraving. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell for more creative how-tos. Happy crafting!